Welcome, listeners, to the WION podcast. Okay, so today we're diving into something pretty strange out of Buga, Colombia. Back in March, there were these reports of a mysterious metallic orb.
Yeah, not just floating around either. Apparently, it was seen flying in this really unusual zigzag pattern. Nothing like a plane or drone we'd recognize.
Exactly. And then it landed, someone found it, and get this covered in these strange symbols etched right onto the surface.
Hmm. And these weren't just random scratches. People tried, comparing them to ancient writing systems first.
Like runes or ogum, that kind of thing.
Right, even Mesopotamian scripts. But nothing matched. Total dead end initially.
Which makes what happened next even more fascinating. They apparently used artificial intelligence to try and decode them.
And the AI reportedly deciphered it. Quite a message, too.
It really is, it reads. The origin of birth through union and energy in the cycle of transformation, the meeting point of unity, expansion, and awareness, individual consciousness.
Wow, that's a lot to unpack.
It is. What do you even make of that? Some analysts are leaning towards it being, well, maybe a message, or even a warning for humanity.
It's definitely got that feel, hasn't it? Especially the bit about transformation. With things like pollution and, environmental concerns, some scientists think it might be urging a sort of collective shift, a change in how we think, maybe, to help the planet.
A shift in consciousness. And the object itself just adds layers to the mystery, doesn't it?
Oh, absolutely. The reports say it doesn't have any visible seams or joints, like it's one solid piece.
And internally,
Well,
composed of really high-density elements, which again fuels speculation that maybe it wasn't manufactured by humans.
hmm. Though we should definitely inject a note of caution here. Not everyone's jumping to the extraterrestrial conclusion.
Right, there are other theories.
Yeah, one cognitive neuroscientist suggested it could just be an incredibly elaborate art project designed precisely to provoke this kind of discussion.
That's a fair point. And there's also apparently a video circulating, claiming to show the Buga sphere.
There is, but its authenticity is still up in the air. No confirmation it's actually the same object found in Colombia. So, still lots of question marks.
Definitely. So you have this potential message, this strangely constructed orb, but also valid skepticism.
Exactly. Whether it's alien tech, human art, or something else entirely, the whole thing is undeniably intriguing.
It really is. It pushes you to think about, our place in the cosmos and the possibility of contact.
Absolutely. A genuine enigma.
The story of the Bugosphere certainly leaves us with a lot to think about, a true modern mystery. Stay tuned for more such intriguing stories to come.